Cheep, cheep. Who is making that crying sound? Behind the willow leaves, a frog jumps. Cheep, cheep. Who is making that crying sound? Behind the tall grass, a baby duck waddles. Cheep, cheep. Who is making that crying sound? In the carrot field, a baby rabbit hops. Cheep, cheep. Who is making that crying sound? Behind the rock, a baby turtle crawls. The frog, baby duck, baby rabbit, and baby turtle follow the sound of the squeak. Under the tree, a baby bird is chirping. The baby bird's nest fell to the ground from the tree. On top of the frog is a baby turtle. On top of the baby turtle is a baby duck. On top of the baby duck is a baby rabbit. Up we go! Up we go! They lift the baby bird's nest back onto the tree. The baby bird chirps gratefully.